Got it?
Oh, car.
Yeah, is it car?
Got it. Got it.
Be careful. What is that? What is it?
Oh,
Uh-oh.
Marty's.
Uh-oh. What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
It's Marty's cars. It's Marty's cars.
Yeah?
It's Marty's cars.
What else is in there?
It's their cars and Marty's.
Huh? Is there muffins?
Oh, there's a.
Oh, there they are.
It's Marty's.
What is it?
It's Marty's.
Muffins?
It's Marty's.
Smells like muffins? What about corn? Is there corn in there? Where?
It's corn.
Yeah, there's corn.
Oh, ew. It's corn. It is.
There it is. It's chili.
Teddy.
Chili.
And it's
Gonna put it back. What about green beans? Are there green beans in there?
Dada.
That's right. There they are.
It's beans.
It's beans. Do you like green beans?
No. Oh, it's chicken patty. Marty.
What is it?
It's two Marty's.
Muffins?
I can't get two.
Muffins? Did you say Jiffy?
Silly.
Jiffy. Goodness.
Oh.
Ooh. What is that? Soup?
Shoot.
Shoot. Can you smell it? What's it smell like? Does it smell like soup?
Yeah.
Yeah?
This is magic.
Okay.
I thought I was magic.
Oh, more soup?
Got it.
Got it. What's that one?
Huh?
What is that one?
It's a cotton
Huh?
Cotton.
Juice? That's chicken juice.
Chicken soup.
It's chicken broth. Are you shaking it up?
Yeah.
What does that do to it?
It's water.
Oh, is it water? Okay. What's up there at the top? What is that up there?
Huh?
What are those right there in front of you?
Huh?
Right there. What's that?
It's car.
No, these right here. What are those? What is that?
Car.
What is it?
Well,
Whoa.
it's a car.
What is that? That's silly. Is that macaroni?
It's a water. Shaky.
Shake it.
Shaky.
Shake it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then shaky.
Shake it.
And then shaky.
Are you all done shaking it? Did you ever pick out anything for dinner?
No daughter.
No dinner? Okay. No corn for dinner?
No daughter car.
Okay.
Oh, car.
You want to have cars for dinner? Okay.
I want to see a car.
Okay.
I want to see a car.
Anything else?
No the rest.
Is that it? Okay.